Well, I'm working with trying to adjust my volume on these clips so I can produce something that people can hear. So anyway, this clip I was explaining the difference between the orthophoto's color of the small lake here and the ocean. And I noticed there's some trees in the lake here that I'd like to get rid of. But overall, I'm kind of happy with the scenery. And if you could see X-plane scenery, you realize why people go to the trouble to use orthophoto scenery. So I adjusted my sound so that people can hear me while the helicopter's flying. I'm hoping this works out better, but now I'm flying up one of these rivers here towards the mountains. You see the detail of the orthophoto scenery. If you compare this with X-plane, it's quite a bit better. And I've seen the river, the Rio Grande in Albuquerque. I used to bicycle along there and stop. And this orthophoto scenery gets the sandbars right, along with everything else. This is actual weather in Alaska. So for instructional videos about how the autopilot works, I'm hoping my sound will be adjusted right so people can hear. So this is landing into Cordova airport. This X-plane scenery. You can see the quality of the scenery is a lot less, but I'm on a approach here. Right here I'm showing the glide slope. I'm approaching the glide slope and it's on autopilot. So right here this will engage when I hit the glide slope, and that will mean that I'm starting my descent. So I'm working with the sound here, and I'm hoping this voiceover works out, because the sound quality was, you can hear the voice over the sound of the machine. So you can see I'm almost into the glide slope there, and I'm hoping to make some of these videos that are more educational. So the adventure continues. Cordova, Alaska.